That's my scared cat. Okay, so this is a continuation of the last video because I didn't take a tour of the most important room in the bathroom because it was being occupied. And that, of course, will be the throne room. Here, the bathroom. We only have one bathroom. And there's 5 of us. So it's been interesting. And see, it has a nice view, too. Of me. I mean, of the outside. Yeah. And this curtain here is black. Or flowery. What's so great about that? I'll tell you. When somebody's in here taking a shower and somebody else needs to go pee, you can't see through it. Works out fine. And I got this little system here that I have to, well, I'm packing, but keep the sanitary napkins in there enclosed so nothing icky gets on it. And usually I've got a couple toilet papers in there. So yeah, this is pretty cool throne room. Well, okay, so I think we got it all. Got the whole house. Alright. Bye. Say goodbye, Angel. Say bye-bye, baby. Hi. Oh, Mommy pet you. I'll stop recording.